Next time, don't tell me you don't snore because you snore like a motherfucker right now. Yeah, I am. This fool ass gonna be like, oh, I don't snore, I don't do shit. But now you snore like a motherfucker. Holy shit. Haha's Edwin. Snoring like King Kong.